coming towards Mr. Kaushal Kumar Singh. Sir,
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Professor Rao, first of all, and thank you, the entire faculty members, all the budding uh, professionals, the current students of the university, and all the alumni. I would like to, since I've been given a topic to talk on placements, so just a small line I would start with. That's from William Edwards Deming, I remember. That's on process. If you can't describe what you are doing as a process, you don't know what you are doing. Education and placement both actually is a sort of process. We need to focus on the process rather than on the results. If we talk about process, what actually process means? Process starts right from entering the university to leaving the university. Whether you are leaving as a uh, entrepreneur, as a professional, as a tutor, whatever it is, whatever comes in between entering and leaving the university is actually a process. What I have observed in my 4 years tenure with university, we have focused on placement right from the beginning. That's true. That's very true. But I think somewhere down the line we missed the process line, or I would say our focus was a bit more on the results rather than on the process. And off lately, good to see a lot of you know PhD scholars are here. Nice initiatives taken by the university, in fact, in terms of guest lectures organized for our students, and many other things I've seen on social media platforms. So these things needs to be done on a continuous basis, first of all, and secondly, which I believe from a student's perspective, two words are very important for you: perseverance and persistence. I've seen people getting placement from the colleges. Even I got it from the college, leaving the jobs in search of better jobs. I'm not against it. Definitely, I'm not against it. But I don't admire such things because what I have personally felt in my 5 years of professional life, if I tell you my professional journey, Mr. Ronak Srivastava is also here. He was a kind of dotted line reporting for me when I joined Mahindra and Mahindra through campus placement of ICFI. I have worked with Mahindra and Mahindra on an off-roll basis. Then I switched to Mahindra Finance, moved on to Daimler India Commercial Vehicles, that is Bharat Benz people must be knowing. And then right now, currently, I'm with Hero Motocorp as territory manager, sorry, sales. So throughout this 5 year journey, ups and downs were there. It's just like the college life. One day I was crying, one day I'm smiling. But relentless effort is important from a student's perspective. You have to stick to the basics, keep improvising things, and also keep it straight and simple. कि नहीं मुझे ये करना. That's what I have thought. I enjoy my work. So did I enjoyed my college life also, though it was on a rented complex. But I don't remember any single day I haven't enjoyed. Like starting from the uh, tea corners near our college, Dr. Ganguly's GD classes, and surprise visits of Professor Rao in the university, and attacking him for placements. Everything was a part of journey. But one thing I must also say, uh, that ICFI as a group needs no introduction. That I have realized in the 5 year journey. I worked with four organizations. Wherever I have joined, they asked me from where you have done the BTech. I said ICFI. And thereafter, I don't need to explain कि ये यहाँ पे है या वो वहाँ पे है, 5 branches है, 7 branches है, Hyderabad में nothing. ICFI itself is a brand, and it needs no introduction. That's true. What important is to you know take forward this brand value in terms of corporate relationship and getting placement. I heard someone saying I was lucky to get placement from Naukri.com. Rather than being lucky, I would rather request the university and the vice chancellor sir don't make us feel lucky. We need this tradition to get established in the university. That's what we are actually looking for, and we'll feel proud if more people of such backgrounds or such corporate things or even entrepreneurs come out. I got the placement from the university. Thankful to the university, thankful to Professor Sumit Sinha for that. He organized it, and thereafter I continued, and I'm here. So my basic, just one thing that I would like to conclude my uh, lines with is process. Please, it's a request to everyone, for the student, for the management of the university. Please build a process for placements rather than focusing on the results. And I'm damn sure, very much sure, that if we establish a process and have multiple steps in that process, placements would be far better than what we actually expect. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for motivating us.